Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch recordings on the Tesla Model Y. So one major selling point for the Tesla cars is that it has all those cameras and it's capable of using those cameras as a dash cam to see what's happening on the road if there is a safety event, if you have configured it as such, or then the sentry mode, which will monitor what's happening around the car when it is in park. So to watch the recordings, make sure the car is in park. And after that, if you don't see the dashcam app here, go into the three buttons to find the dashcam app. And here it is. So if you press there, it opens the dashcam app. And now we can watch recordings. So let's just press on play. And we can see this recording. It defaults to the latest one. And this was manually triggered. So there's nothing special happening on the recording. We can also switch, so we can see currently we are on the front camera. We can go to the left camera, to the right camera, and the rear camera. And from the top we can select which recording to watch. So there's quite a bit of history here, a lot of recordings, so we can just tap on a specific recording and start playing it. And we can see that the event which triggered it is usually marked with a red dot, so somebody was walking close by to the car. If you want to configure what is getting recorded, go into the car icon, and under safety you will see that sentry mode is on, excluding home, because you will use quite a bit of battery if you're recording always. And I think camera-based detection makes sense. You can press on the eye icon to read what does it mean. So anyhow, sentry mode is for monitoring what's happening around the car when it's in park, and the dash cam functionality is for when you're driving. So I have it on auto, so it will save clips when there is a safety event. That's a good way to configure it. And then on honk, it will trigger recording once you press the horn button or the horn on the car. So I have auto and also on honk. So if I use the horn, then it will do a recording, which is quite handy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.